Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kat bagi nong yalam kaseng NPP, habakren hakirinsan bapher kilakop bakaseng kan job bun teli ki constituency hagani ke election. Bat kan yoru ban sensar marway, Hynrei menteri rangba ke jela ubadairu national president ke NPP, u Conrad kongkel sangma, habakren bat kinong thok hubor, hadin ke jing pediang ngobha ya u 80 mandal, ha office Trei kam jong kaseng hanong ba shalong, ulaong baki kertong jong kaseng kimdai ban Kheiñ sting, habaya kun election. Ula kentu yaki ban Trei Shitom, ban yok Kheiñ yo uso jong ka jingjam. Ula benrap ru da ka baong, baka election kam day ka basuk, Ngimla ban tip ka ay ka banja, bat ngimla ban Kheiñ sting. Hynrei day ban Trei Shitom bat perkhat, baka jingele ka election kam day ka basuk, wala da ki don ki bre ki bawan yato, babaro ki yai bay yai renti.
See, obviously we will work towards it, and our endeavor will be to ensure that we get maximum seats all over the state. But as I always say in every statement of mine, elections are not easy. You cannot predict and you cannot take things for granted. You have to work hard. You have to have a very strong mindset. As I keep repeating, you have to have a survivor's mindset. You have to think that things are tough and keep working hard, even though people may come and tell you that things are good. The moment you start thinking that things are good, I think that's when things start going wrong. So I urge everybody in my party, and always, I am myself a person who never takes things easy. So whatever the situation may be, we are going to work hard, and we always take our